Good day and welcome to Top Tech Solutions. Today I'll be sharing a solution for the activation of Microsoft Office and Windows. So with this tutorial, we are going to need a Microsoft activation script file, which I'll provide in the description. So do well to download and follow the following steps. So this is the file I talked about that we are going to use. That is the Microsoft activation script file. So after you've downloaded the file, it will be in a zip format. So you will kindly extract it and follow the following procedures. So you would open this folder. So it will be something like this. This is what you are going to see after opening the folder. There will be a mass folder, that is MAS. So you open this folder. There will be another two folders inside the mass folder, that is all-in-one version and separate file versions. So you will open the all-in-one version. So after opening that folder, all-in-one version folder, there will be a command prompt file inside. So you launch that command prompt file. You can choose to launch it as an administrator or go straight and launch it. Any way works. So from this step, you can see the activation methods here, and there are numbers attached to each of the command that you would like to give. So the first one is for the Windows activation. So those who want to activate their Windows will go straight and press 1 to activate their Windows. And mind you, when doing this, you will need an internet connection for the Windows activation sometimes, but others too wouldn't need it. So for you to be on the safer side, you have to have an active internet connection. Okay, so for those of you who want to activate their Office, you wouldn't need any internet for this. You just go straight. So for me, I've done it. So I've already done it. So I'll just check my activation status. So I'll just press 5 because it says 5 here. So you wait for a while for it to load. Okay, so this is my activation status for the Windows. It says that machine is permanently activated. In Office, it says it is what? Book for permanent Office activation is installed. You can ignore below Office activation status. So I've already done it, so I can just ignore. So let me just go back to the initial page. So those of you who want to activate their Office, you just press 2. Then from here you press 1 on your keyboard. So for me, as I said earlier, I've already done it, so there is no need for me to do it again. So I'll just pause the video for this thing to finish and show you what you would expect next. Okay, so this is what you expect after you activating your Windows. So it says Office is permanently activated. So that is that we are done. So from here, you just press any key on your keyboard to go back, and you can press 0 to exit this command prompt window. So that is how to activate Microsoft Office as well as Windows activation. Thank you for watching this video and do well to subscribe and share. Bye.